Hello guys and welcome to this quick guide. In this video I will show with you how you can get bank statement online from Emirates Islamic Bank. So guys, you need for your this one visa application. So this process is simple and let's get started. First guys, log in onto your account on your desktop or your mobile app, and you can download from your mobile and onto your credential information, your username and password, as you can see here. And you need, if you don't have account, you can register. And after that guys, click this account option and click the select account, as you can see here, and click the specific account you need to the bank statement, and you will open the account details, and you find this option guys, download statement, and lock this option, say download statement, and choose the time period you want to download, for example last 6 months or custom data range, and click download. After that guys, click on review and save your statement, and after download completes, open your statement and review it and ensure this accurate, and don't forget save to secure location on your device. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.